This ability to move between the concrete and the abstract is what we call an intangible. It uses different parts of your brain and makes you move back and forth. It's harder to identify it, but it's one of the things that are key to teach our designers of tomorrow. Another intangible is to be able to design your design work, to know the exact right people that you need to bring onto a project, to plan it accordingly, to be able to know what schools and what skills and what processes you need to use to get it done. Another one is to be able to communicate deliberately, whether that is in front of a room of 1,000 people, or if after working together for a day, you need to debrief really quietly with your teammate and reflect on how you had worked together. That's all part of communication we need to practice. And then the last one is to navigate ambiguity or uncertainty, because we have to have this ability to maintain multiple directions in parallel for all the problems that we need to work on. We know that the world is quite ambiguous.